In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front lower ball joints on this Mercedes E350. Let's get into it. Remove the wheel. We're going to use a 17mm socket. Take the lug bolts out. Before we take the last one out, I am going to hold the wheel from falling. And just grab the wheel, slide it out. Using a 21mm wrench, take this nut off. Oops. All right, that's off. Using a 22mm socket, we'll just take this nut off. You can use different front end tools to separate this. I'm just going to use a pickle fork. Just line this up, give it a tap. There we go. That popped off. That's separated there. Now using the pickle fork, separate it right here. There we go, separated. With a pry bar, I'm just gonna pry this way. You can just twist it, it slides right out. Take the ball joint, get this started up top. Get the nut started. I'll slide this out. Get that to line up. There we go. Try to get that pin to line up there. Give it a tap. Pretty close. Get the bolt on, the nut. That's started. Torque that to 52 foot-pounds. And tighten the other nut up. You want to tighten this nut down. And if you can get a torque wrench in there, torque that nut to 52 foot-pounds. Do the best you can. That's good. Put the wheel on. Line that up. Take the lug bolt, get that started. I'll tighten that down. Snug that one down and then put the other ones in. I'll tighten these all down. Now we're going to torque the lug bolts to 95 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, double check. After finishing this installation, it's important to have an alignment done on your vehicle.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.